Stainless steel versus aluminum, a bake-off battle.
Hello, bakers, and welcome to our baking materials showdown. Today, we are going to discuss and compare two commonly used materials in baking pans, stainless steel and aluminum. We'll find out which one may be a better choice for your baking needs, so grab your oven mitts and let's dive in.
What are stainless steel baking pans?
Stainless steel is a popular material in the culinary world due to its durability and corrosion resistance. Stainless steel pans are known for their hardiness and longevity. They won't rust or stain over time, which is excellent for long-term use. However, they have a few drawbacks in the realm of baking. Stainless steel does not conduct heat as well as aluminum. This means it might heat unevenly, leading to unevenly baked goods. In addition, stainless steel pans are often heavier than their aluminum counterparts, which can be a disadvantage for handling.
What are aluminum baking pans?
Moving on to aluminum pans. Aluminum is a fantastic heat conductor. This material heats up quickly and evenly, distributing the heat throughout the pan, and that means a consistent baking experience for your treats. However, aluminum pans are not without their issues. They are more prone to scratching and warping than stainless steel pans. Also, untreated aluminum can react with acidic foods, causing a metallic taste. To prevent this, many bakers prefer to use anodized aluminum pans, which have been treated to prevent this reaction.
So, which is better for baking?
In the grand scheme of things, your choice between stainless steel and aluminum may depend on what you prioritize in your baking process. If you value durability and longevity, and you don't mind potentially uneven heating, stainless steel may be your best bet. However, if you prioritize even, consistent heating and don't mind a little extra care to avoid scratches or reactions with acidic foods, aluminum, especially anodized aluminum, will likely serve you well. Overall, for most baking applications, the superior heat conduction of aluminum gives it the edge. For consistent, evenly baked goods, aluminum is typically the better choice. Thank you for joining us in this bake-off battle between stainless steel and aluminum. We hope this information has been useful in helping you choose the right material for your baking needs. Keep baking, stay curious, and remember, the perfect pan can take your treats from good to mouth-watering. Happy baking!